Hi all, welcome to the Digital Johns YouTube channel. So in this video I will explain you what is search engine optimization. This video tutorial is for beginners actually. If you already know what is SEO, you can skip this video. In Google we can do digital marketing in two ways. Let's say if I type any keyword, you can see here 2 BHK flat. Here I typed 2 BHK flat in Bangalore. Now we are getting sponsored results. Sponsored results means these are the ads, purely ads. You are seeing top 3 results are ads only. So wherever you see this hide sponsored results button, so on top of that we can see 3 results. These are the sponsored results. After these sponsored results, you will see this. You don't see any sponsored in the top of these results. If you see 99 acres are okay. Another website or okay, magic bricks and all those things. Search engine optimization. Search engine means Google. So they optimized their website. So if anybody searches with the 2 BHK flat in Bangalore, so that is why they kept 2 BHK flat in Bangalore in their website title also, and in the URL also. In the website URL also you can see 2 BHK flats in Bangalore. So sometimes they add that keyword in the meta description also. So not only these 2-3 practices, they do other practices also. SEO includes keyword research, on-page SEO and off-page SEO and other activities also, like technical SEO, local SEO and other activities also, which I will be covering in my further videos. If you don't want to miss those videos, kindly subscribe and check my YouTube channel. So I have shown you with the example also. If anybody searches with any query, if non-sponsored ads are okay, without sponsored, if our website is coming in the Google top results, then we call it as a search engine optimization. So what is this SEO means? Okay, let's understand the definition. So the practice of improving a website's visibility in organic. Organic means unpaid, we are not paying. Organic search engine results, aiming for higher rankings to increase traffic. So website's visibility means website should appear in the Google search engine for the keywords related to that particular business. Let's say if I am selling a non-veg pickles, if I am selling non-veg pickles, that means my website should appear in the Google for keywords related to non-veg pickles in online, non-veg pickles, or it can be chicken pickle online or mutton pickle online. For these kind of keywords, my website should appear in the first page. So for that, okay, the practice of improving, the practice includes other things actually, which I will be covering in the further videos. So the practice of improving website visibility in search engine results. Search engine results means in the Google only. Aiming for higher rankings to increase traffic. Aiming for higher rankings means we should rank high. High means that lesser the number, the higher the ranking in Google actually. If you are ranking in the first position organically, that means you are very good. If you are ranking in the 5th position, that means you need to improve your rankings from 5th position to 4th or 3rd or 2nd or 1st actually. So why are we improving our rankings? Why are we improving our rankings here? We are improving ranking to increase the website traffic to our website. If our website is ranking higher, that means it shows many people. If many people sees our website, they come to our website by clicking. That means traffic comes to our website. If traffic is coming to our website, automatically our conversions also improves. This traffic, let's say assume that okay, 1000 people are coming to our website, at least okay, 30 to 40 people will inquire about your product and service. At least 5 to 10 people will buy the product and service from your website. So this is the okay, our aim is to get the relevant traffic. Not everybody is our customer. So we need to get the traffic. Traffic means again here relevant traffic we need to bring, not the okay, irrelevant traffic. That means if that person is seriously interested in our product and service, then only we should bring him. For that we need to pick the right keywords, right on-page SEO and right conversion optimization techniques also we need to implement in our website. So the core components, if you see, we have something called on-page SEO, which is very crucial, which earlier I shown you in this video, the title, meta description and the URL. There we are finding the 2 BHK flat in Bangalore keyword only. So those comes under on-page SEO techniques only, but those 3 are not the complete on-page SEO. So I will create at least a 1 hour detailed video on on-page SEO. That is a practical video which I will show you how to do on-page SEO optimization by taking a proper keyword and content and all those things. So after that on-page SEO, we have something called a technical SEO. Technical SEO is also I will create a separate video on technical SEO, so you will understand at the time. So, and after that we have something called off page SEO. Off page SEO means it's all mostly about the improving the or increasing the quality backlinks from other sites. So, I will tell you, I will teach you all the sessions, all the lessons. So, though all my videos are beginner friendly only, so every beginner can understand from basics to advanced. I will take you. I will teach you all those things. So, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, and if you have any feedback and suggestions for my English YouTube channel, you can comment under this video or you can mail me. I will provide my email. You can see my email in the video description. So, that is it for this video, guys. Earlier I used to create videos only in Telugu language. I started digital marketing training in Telugu language. Since 8 years I have been doing this digital marketing training in Telugu language. So, currently I am also providing training in English for few students. I also thought to create same content in English language also. So, this is my beginner videos only. I will improve my presentation skills and all the other skills also. But content, I know content, but how to present, there I lack, actually little lack. But hopefully you will be seeing, if you are able to understand my English and the concept, then my job is done actually. Okay. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys.